going.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, but I haven't got the bits. That was just...
Don't get the bits.
What bit?
The tap to go over the top.
Right, Ben, you'll have to come and hold that from inside.
This?
Because you're nearly through. Hang on, Ray, wait there, wait
This?
there. Yeah, and I need to... I'm working from the wrong side.
Well, no, just let's get it off first. Ben should have just held it.
Right, through. Right, out the way, ready?
No, get the tap thing first.
Right, Ben, you're going to have to go inside and pull it. You're going to have to pull it through.
You think it'll come all the way? That's not coming.
All right.
Not coming that far.
Am I out of the way enough?
Yeah, it's fine.
Shout through there that the water's
I'll tell her. The water in the kitchen stopped. That might be.
Right, how far has it got to go down?
Right down till it stops.
That's it.
Right, out the way, mate.
Okay. You're doing the wrong way, my man.
No, I'm going that way. Well, let me get on that.
I can get to there. I'll do it slowly, there's no hurry.
Depressingly, this looks like it's working.
All the water's stopped up there now.
I was hoping for you've been playing, but I don't think it was good enough.
All right, no hurry. Don't force the plate anyway, you know, just keep it up.
No, that's why I'm holding it.
On it.
That's why I'm holding it.
That's it, yeah.
There ain't a lot of pressure on it, it's all stopped up there.
Right, shut that off.
There.
Hey! Good stuff.
Hallelujah.
£350 an hour for the first hour, you know.
I know. Oh, you know that.
That's what they charged me mate last week.
There you are. We rang them.
25,000 litres a day.
2 hours. How long does that take us? 5 minutes?
Oh yeah, I thought he said £3.50. I said that's very reasonable. No, he said £350 an hour.
£350 an hour for the first 2 hours.
£3.50.